Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move around in Tinkercad. So what we'll need to do is basically take a figure, so I'll take a cube for this tutorial, and now what we'll need to do is hold on your mouse the left click and hold it, and now drag the mouse and place where you want to place your cube or whatever figure you are using. So basically, if you're holding, and let's say I want to add to this corner, now I will be able to, let's say, select different millimeter of length and a height and etc. So that's how you can move. Same goes with the up, like moving the figure up. If you just go and click on this, you'll basically move this figure up and down. And with these arrows, you can rotate it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.